The milk comes in once a week. A big 5-gallon tub comes in and we put in these milk dispensers, which is like a refrigerator that keeps it cold. So the kids come through the line, they grab one of these cups and they hit the button and the milk comes out cold and fresh.
What we're doing is we're eliminating half-pint milk cartons from landfill. Most importantly, what has happened is it's been a gateway project that opens up a lot of learning opportunities for students beyond just the milk itself. A cafeteria in a school is the only place in the entire building that's not dedicated to learning. I think we're seeing that big change here at Evergreen because the staff is very involved.
Students are going to become more conscious of their decisions as to how they dispose of waste, what are some waste initiatives that help reduce waste and help us create a safe, clean environment.
We've been able to pierce that curiosity mode with the students, and as a result, at some of our schools, we're already doing learning modules in humanities, math, science, health. This is real-world learning for students so that they actually can see the impact that they're making on the environment. This is the first school district in the region that I'm aware of that's going all in on durables, really looking at eliminating single-use plastics, half-pint milk cartons, and making sure that we also are offering students the opportunity to get a better grasp of what the impact is of their actions. So for instance, when we eliminate half-pint milk cartons, we're reducing landfill greenhouse gas emissions. This is a grant sponsored by the King County Circular Economy Grants. The grant was awarded to Zero Waste Washington, and then our organization, Northwest Food Alliance, was brought in to do project management, and so that's our role. At the end of the day is what's the cost benefit? In other words, is there an offset to reducing your waste? Is that a cost savings? Is there an offset to getting rid of the half-pint milk cartons because we know they generate greenhouse gas emissions?
What we're teaching students is helpful for generations to come.